Okay, hello, welcome. Let's go. Data analysis and data visualization with Ninox. And this is also kind of a coping with the pandemic video. That's me. And this is going to be a video series. In this part here, I'm going to have an example data. I have a problem, putting numbers into perspective. I have a solution. And I have a tiny preview of what is about to come. This is solution here, the Ninox database. This is the example data, the COVID data, the global. And this is the problem I have, the sorting, which gives the impression that the US is faring worse. This is the data is publicly available. Looks like this. And I'm going to use Ninox because I have a pretty good knowledge of this software, and I think it's the best in the world. Go to ninox.com. The solution looks like this. It's a database. There's a couple of tables there. There's a table model. And let's have a look into the countries. They are sorted alphabetically here, which does not make any sense. In Johns Hopkins, they are sorted by total cases, like this, US on top, or by total death, like this, the US on top as well. I think it's this is the right metric. Deaths per million inhabitants. And if we sort like this, we have Belgium doing worst. And then we scroll down and the US is at number 9. We could sort by new death. Where is it currently the worst? Which is Portugal, the United Kingdom and Czechia. But let's sort by who is worst here. Yeah, this is Belgium. Let's look at the United States for a second. Come on, there we are. And here we have putting data into context. We have in red the average case, 7-day average of the cases. And we have in blue down here the global average. This is what puts the data into perspective, like this. Yeah. It's very easy in Ninox. These are all standard elements with just a couple of lines of code. If you want to get invited into that team, please send me a message. Yeah, please comment, please share, subscribe, all that stuff. So you can get informed. Get in contact with me like this. Here's a little preview of things to come. Very quickly. Key indicators per continent. Oh man, this was real quick. Please leave a message. Please like and subscribe. See you soon. Thank you for watching.